Ever wondered how to make your own marzipan at home? Welcome to a delightful journey into the world of this sweet, pliable confection. Marzipan, a delectable blend of almonds and sugar, is often used for cake decoration, molded into fun shapes or savored as a delightful candy. And guess what? You can create this treat right in your kitchen using just a handful of ingredients: blanched almonds, powdered sugar, an egg white or water, and a dash of almond extract. Grab your apron, it's time to dive into the sweet world of marzipan. First things first, let's prepare the almonds. We begin with blanched almonds. If your almonds are still wearing their skins, no worries. Blanching is a breeze. Just pop them into boiling water for a minute or two, then gently peel off the skins. Now, it's crucial to dry them thoroughly. Any lingering moisture could meddle with the marzipan's consistency. Once they're perfectly parched, it's time to grind. Using a trusty food processor, transform the almonds into a fine meal. But remember, patience is a virtue. Over-processing could lead you down the path to almond butter. And there we have it. With our almonds prepared, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now that we have our almond meal, it's time to mix in some sweetness. First off, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. That's our finely ground almond meal and powdered sugar. Let's whisk them together until they're well blended. This ensures that the sugar is evenly distributed throughout the almond meal for a consistent sweetness. If you'd like a hint of complexity, you can add a pinch of salt. It's optional but can enhance the overall flavor. Once our dry ingredients are mixed, we're ready to introduce our wet ingredients. That's the egg white or water, and a teaspoon of almond extract. The extract adds a layer of depth to the almond flavor, making our marzipan even more aromatic. Mix these in thoroughly until the dough starts to come together. If the mixture feels too dry, don't fret. Just add a small amount of water, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you achieve a dough-like consistency. Look at that! We've made a sweet, aromatic marzipan dough. Now roll up your sleeves. It's time to knead our marzipan dough. Start by turning the mixture onto a clean, dry surface. Begin to knead it by hand, much like you would bread dough. Use a firm, steady pressure, folding the dough over onto itself and then pushing it away from you. This process helps to ensure that your marzipan has a uniform, silky texture that's easy to shape and mold. If the dough feels a bit sticky, don't worry. Simply dust your hands and the surface with a bit of powdered sugar to keep things manageable. Continue kneading until your marzipan is smooth and pliable. And there you have it. Your very own homemade marzipan, ready to be shaped, decorated, or simply savored just as it is.